and Pam with Inspect It Like a Girl. Today I'm on the roof with Dan Rankin with Chimneyville Roofing, and we are repairing these little, what do you call them?
High nails.
Nail pops that could potentially cause a leak in your roof. So Dan's going to take you through the process of how to fix this. Okay, Dan?
Okay, well, it's a simple little deal, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop this shingle up like that, and I'm going to remove this nail. Instead of tapping it back down, I'm going to remove it, and then I'm going to just seal that nail hole off, push this through. I might even mash it down like that. And that way, if I'm nailed them back down, then the sun or whatever just draws them right back through the roof. So I feel like this shingle can do without one nail.
Fantastic.
Because of the sealant.
So if you ever have a roof leak and you're not sure what's going on, give Dan a call. You can call us here at Inspect It Like a Girl. We do have a thermal camera, so we can locate where your leak is coming from, and then Dan with Chimneyville Roofing can come over and fix it for you.
Absolutely.